Hi, we've been learning how to multiply 2-digit by 1-digit numbers with partial product multiplication. This is a strategy that you might not be aware of, so I wanted to take some time to give you an example so when your children come home you're able to use the same strategy with them that we've been using in class. So this problem here is 24 times 3. And when we do partial product multiplication, we really focus on the place value of the numbers. So I look at this problem and I think, okay, first I have to multiply the numbers that are in the ones place. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 3. I'm going to put my equal sign over here so that when I know that 4 times 3 equals 12, I'm going to write that right underneath the existing problem. Now I need to come over here to this 2. But I know that this is not really just a 2. The 2 is in the tens place. So that 2 is actually 20. So the next multiplication problem I need to solve is 20 times 3. Not just 2 times 3, but 20 times 3. And I know that 20 times 3 is 60. Now that I've solved both parts of this multiplication problem, I just need to add the numbers together in order to get the total. So my answer for 24 times 3 is 72. I'm going to give you one more example where if we were using the algorithm we would start carrying, and you'll see that that's not the case yet for partial product. So the same thing, I have 43 times 6 and I'm still going to start in the ones place. So I'm looking at this 3 and 6. So 3 times 6 equals 18. And right now in class I am letting students use a multiplication chart. If they are not familiar enough to recall their facts automatically, I really want the process more now and not to have to worry about what 3 times 6 is. So it's perfectly fine to let your child use a multiplication chart at home to get through this process for now. So I have 18. So now I'm going to come back over to the 4. The 4 is in the tens place, so I know that's not just 4, it's actually 40. So now my problem I'm going to work on is 40 times 6. So there's 0 in my ones place, and then 4 times 6 is 24. I'm going to make sure that I line up the numbers by place value so that I get everything correct, and I'm going to add those together to get my final product. So you'll notice that as we do partial product, we're not doing any carrying here. Instead of 3 times 6, we're not carrying the 1 over, we're just writing the answer right here. And as we add together, it's all going to come out in the right spot. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you very much. Bye.